In this wow, words, tutorial, whatever. Anyway, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize an image or a design that you made into other template sizes. So for this purpose, this is something that I do if I'm making an Instagram post and then I also want to make it a story, or if I'm making an Instagram post that I want it to look a little bit different on Facebook and be like the Facebook post size. This is what I would do. It's good for, like, I'm sure Justin uses it when he makes ads and things. So you have an ad for Instagram, you have an ad for Facebook, you have an ad for Instagram stories. So what I do is I go over to resize, and then you can either do a custom size or a recent, or you can scroll down and it has all the options. So let's say this is my Instagram post and I want to make it also an Instagram story. So you click on what you want it to do, and you can do multiple as well. So it'll just copy, it'll resize. You don't, let me back up. Okay, so you can do, I click on Instagram story, this is what I want to resize it to. So you have two options. You could either just resize it and it'll take this file exactly and resize the whole thing, and to get it back to an Instagram post size, you'll have to like resize it again. Or what I always do is I copy and resize it, because then it saves the base. So I'm going to hit copy and resize, and what it's going to do is make a copy of it for me, and then it's in the Instagram story size. And you do have to do some manipulations. It's not as intuitive enough to be able to do the manipulations for you, but you drag this up and you can manipulate it however you see fit, just using your best judgment for what looks good. You can do all of these things, you can change that, all that good stuff. And it, again, like it did when you were renaming things or like making a copy, it says copy, and you can go here and change and get rid of that and change the name and stuff. And then back to this. So let's say I wanted to resize it to multiple different things. So I want to resize it to Facebook cover and an Instagram story. You can no longer just resize it because it recognizes that you want to do two different things. So it only gives you the option to copy and resize. So I'm going to copy and resize. Oh, that's interesting. Continue resizing. Okay, if that pops up, click continue resizing, and then I think you have to do it again. Let's see how this works. Copy and resize. What the heck? Oh, I have my ad blocker on. That's why. So it won't let me do it right now because I have my ad blocker on, and that's a lot of work for me to figure out how to turn off right now. But theoretically, it would open two different windows with your two individual designs. And again, you can manipulate it however you want. But that's just an easier way than going in and remaking every single design. You can just copy your template and manipulate it how you need to. But let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.